So here's the second snowstorm we had in a couple days. Looks like we got about 11 inches maybe of, that's at this area though. Let's take a look outside here. See, my feet are going way deep in the snow. Ouch. I hope I fall so I can get on America's Funniest Home Videos. Our neighborhood. Ooh, Jesus. But you see the paper was delivered today. Whoa! If I put the tape measure in the snow, no, it won't even go in. It's too hard. How you doing? Here's the rest of the street. You can't even see the curb. This is where the curb would be. You can't see anything. There's a car. You can see how deep that is. This is the most snow they've had since 1988 or something like that. Snowed for 7 hours last night on top of about 4 inches we had 2 days ago. Try to jump on the curb here. And there's our house. And we may get some more snow today. I actually like all this. And that's it. Feliz Navidad.